going to be making Farmers Market Salsa. Let's go! For this recipe, we can use both fresh and canned ingredients. We're going to need corn, black beans, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, lime juice, garlic, and picante sauce. There's no cooking involved, so just add all of your chopped ingredients into the bowl. If you have to replace your ingredients, don't feel bad. For instance, in this recipe, I didn't have green peppers, so I used sweet peppers. Didn't have picante sauce, so I just used some leftover salsa that I had. Once you have all of your ingredients in the bowl, mix it up and it's ready to serve. If there's extra liquid, drain that out so your chips or things don't get soggy. But enjoy!